Hey lovely, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing one of my favorite homemade hair growth pomades that I use on my daughter's hair to keep it healthy, soft, thick and moisturized. As you can see, her hair has been growing beautifully and truly believe consistency and natural ingredients make such a big difference. I love using herbs and oil that nourish the scalp, help reduce breakage and promote healthier hair growth naturally. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best ingredient to use while growing your hair every day. In today's DIY, I will be using hibiscus flowers, rosemary leaves, cloves, black seed, star anise, and moringa powder. I will set that aside. I will be adding it later. Blend all the ingredients together and add it to your bowl. Now, add your moringa powder to your blend ingredients. Infuse with rich oil and shea butter to create a nourish hair growth pomade. I will go ahead and add my olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil. Add a few drops of almond oil for elasticity. I will go in with my pure Vaseline oil. Add in 3 tablespoons of pure Vaseline oil. Vaseline helps reduce breakage. Vaseline protects edge and ends. Vaseline smooths the scalp. It gives shine and softness to the hair. Go in with your shea butter. I'll go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of my shea butter. Shea butter is good in deeply moisturized dry hair and scalp. It helps reduce breakage and slips ends, soften hair and make it easier to manage. Shea butter protects hair from dryness, heat and harsh weather. Shea butter seal in moisture for long-lasting hydration. Shea butter helps smooth itching and flaky scalp because of its natural vitamin and fatty acid. Mix all the ingredients together and use double boiler method. Double boiler method to avoid the ingredient burnt. Boil it. Use double boiler method for 35 to 45 minutes. After the double boiler method, this is what the ingredients will look like. Sorry, I missed that part. And now go in with your sauce cap or your filter to sieve it. Here I use filter down, then the sieve cloth up to avoid the lumps in my oil. Save all the products into your container before adding your essential oil. After straining the oil mixture to remove the herbs, then I let it cool slightly before adding my essential oil. Now, I'm adding rosemary essential oil, which is great for hair growth and scalp circulation. and a vitamin E oil to help preserve the pomade and add extra nourishment. Then I mix everything together until smooth and pour it in a clean container to set. This recipe is simple, natural, and perfect for anyone looking to care for their hair at home. So, if you want healthy, shiny, growing hair for yourself or your little one, keep watching and let's grow hair together. So after adding it to your container, go ahead and leave it in your refrigerator. Put it in your freezer for like 10 to 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, this is what your product will look like. These products will not just only grow your hair, it will make your hair look fluffy and elasticity. So, as you can see, her hair has been growing gradually, and I truly believe consistency and natural ingredients make such a big difference. I love using herb and oil that nourish the scalp, help reduce breakage, and promote healthy hair growth naturally. Please, if you love what I do, don't forget to like my video, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair growth. Thank you all for watching. I love you and I will see you in my next video. Bye. God bless you.